What if I told you airlines are scamming you out of $100 every flight because you pack wrong? This one trick saved me thousands. Ignore it, and you'll keep wasting cash. Welcome to Travel Tales, where we expose travel hacks you need to know. Problem: airlines exploit heavy luggage with insane fees. Solution: master packing hacks to avoid overpaying. In this video, you'll learn 5 pro tricks to pack lighter, smarter, and cheaper, guaranteed to save you money on every flight. The weight-saving wardrobe hack? Most travelers pack their entire closet, but airlines charge $50 plus for just 2 pounds over. Here's how to cut weight fast. Roll lightweight, wrinkle-free fabrics and use compression cubes. A pro traveler's secret? Merino wool wears for days without stinking. I once saved $120 on a round-trip flight just by swapping jeans for travel pants. Pack versatile layers, not bulky items. Is the 3-4-5 rule. 3 tops, 4 bottoms, 5 accessories equals infinite outfits. The sneaky personal item loophole. Airlines hate this trick. Your personal item can be a second carry-on if you pick the right bag. Use a foldable backpack that fits under the seat but holds 20-liter plus. Pro tip: packing cubes maximize space. I fit 7 days' clothes in a small sling. One viewer saved $200 on a family trip by using this loophole. Measure your bag's dimensions. Most airlines won't check if it looks small. Toiletries that beat fees. Those tiny $8 airport shampoo bottles? A ripoff. Here's how to pack liquids without the hassle. Use solid toiletries, shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets. TSA allows 1-quart clear bags, but silicone bottles save space and weight. I cut 5 pounds from my luggage just by ditching liquid toiletries. Buy travel-sized empties and refill them. 100 milliliters rule equals no fees. Hidden pocket security. Pickpockets target tourists, but my bag has a secret weapon. Use RFID blocking wallets and scarf pockets for cash. Pro move: decoy wallet with expired cards to trick thieves. A friend lost $300 in Rome. Don't be them. Wear a money belt under clothes or use zipper locks on backpacks. Airline rewards and AMP. Free upgrades. I fly business class for free. Here's how you can too. Always join airline loyalty programs. Even one flight racks up points. Check in early for free upgrades. They reward light packers. One couple scored a $1,200 upgrade just by asking nicely. Dress smart, pack light, and ask at the gate. Works 60% of the time. Stop letting airlines rob you. These hacks saved me over $1,000 last year. Use them now. Drop a comment with your biggest packing struggle. I'll help. Smash that like button, subscribe for more travel scams exposed, and hit the bell so YouTube warns you next time I drop a money-saving secret.